Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to disable or delete your account and just a little explain on how those two options work. So let's get started. So what you want to do is go down to your user settings, and now you want to scroll down when you're on My Account. You want to scroll down and you'll see these two options, disable and delete account. Now, what does disable do? It's pretty much the same as delete, but you can recover it. How do you recover it? Well, pretty much you just go and try to log into your account. So please remember your password and username and email, and then you will get this option to re-enable your account, reactivate it. Another option is to just send a ticket to re-enable your account. Now, delete account, it just permanently deletes your account. Nobody can find you, all of your data has been deleted. It just deletes your account. So as I said, disable is pretty much the same, but it will not delete your data. It's just nobody will be able to find you on that platform until you re-enable your account again. So anyways guys, I hope this video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, you can subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.